How to fix WhatsApp not opening in less than 1 minute. Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening easily and fast. So to fix this problem you have to do one thing only. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps. Now here on this page you will find many apps. Just scroll until you find WhatsApp and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now here you have to do only one thing. Click on this option right here, as you can see. When you click on force stop, now only thing that you have to do next is just turn off your phone and turn it on again, then reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to go to the Play Store and update your WhatsApp app from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.